Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 2007 NFL Puppet Pick season. Tonight, we have, all the way from Cancun, Mexico, Consuela, to give us her picks for week 1 of the NFL. Consuela, who is your favorite pick of this week?
Me gustan los Cowboys menos los puntos.
Are you saying that you would choose the Cowboys minus the 5.5 over the New York Giants, Eli Manning, and the offensive line?
Lo siento, es todo lo que tengo que decir acerca de esto.
Well, there you have it, folks. Consuela has made her picks. She likes the Cowboys minus the points. I'm going to go with the Tennessee Titans as the underdogs plus the 6.5 over Jacksonville, which I feel is a mess. There you have it, the Week 1 NFL Puppet Picks. We'll see you next week with some more sure things. Good night. Ralph?
How's it going?
Good. Where's Kermit when you need him? I said good night. And cut. Cut.